Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. Therefore, to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan offers this course. Introduction to Python. This is Lecture 5, Download Python for Mac, and I'm your instructor, Samavi Salman. Let's begin with the lecture outline. In this lecture, I will first present a quick recap, and then I will present steps for downloading Python for Mac. Let's start with a quick recap. In the previous lecture, I presented Step 1, locate Python 3.10.5 setup file. Number 2, run the installation wizard. Number 3, verify the installation of Python 3.10.5. Steps for downloading Python for Mac. Before discussing the steps for downloading Python, the system and software specifications are necessary to discuss. Number 1, operating system, Mac OS Monterey. Number 2, software, Python. Number 3, the version of Python will be 3.10.5. Number 4, download date, that is today, 18th September 2022. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to download Python 3.10.5 for Mac. Number 1, search and access the official website of Python. Number 2, download latest version of Python. And the final step is to verify the download of Python setup file. Let's implement these 3 steps practically. You can open any web browser of your own choice for downloading Python 3.10.5 for Mac. Let me open my web browser first. To complete this task, open your favorite web browser. Let me open my web browser. As you can see that I am using Google Chrome. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter key. In the search bar, type the query official website of Python. And press the enter key. Here we can see the search results returned by Google against our query. Click on the first link, that is python.org. Let me open this in another tab. Here we are on the official website of Python. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully searched and accessed the official website of Python. Now let's move to the second step, that is download the latest version of Python. Since Python is available for all 3 major operating systems, that are Windows, Mac and Linux. Before downloading the Python setup, you need to check the specifications of your operating system. To check the detail of the operating system, click on Apple icon, about this Mac. Here you can see I am using Mac OS Monterey Now let's see what versions of Mac are supported by Python. The Mac monitoring is supported by Python. Alhamdulillah. To download Python setup for Mac, click on Download Python 3.10.5. At the bottom of the browser, you can see the progress of download. Let's wait for the download to complete. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully downloaded Python. The setup file will be saved in the downloads folder. So on the completion of the download, we'll be opening the download folder and verify the download of Python setup file. Alhamdulillah, the download has been complete. Let's open the download folder. Here you can see that the Python exe file has been successfully downloaded. Lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented search and access official website of Python. Number 2, download latest version of Python. Number 3, verify download of Python setup file. In the next lecture, Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install Python in Mac. Abdullah bin Masud narrated that Allah's Messenger, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The person closest to me on the day of judgment is the one who sent the most salat, that is, Durood Sharif upon me." Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam, both in this world and hereafter. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.